What's going on?
Well, I come to you today, Your Honor, because I'm trying to get my child support reduction.
Okay. All right. Based on what? Like, what's going on?
Well, I currently pay $880 a month for child support.
Okay.
I also pay $362 for health insurance. And I see my kids every maybe like 4 times a week.
Okay.
I see them pretty often, and she's trying to take.
All right, guys, buckle up. A father pleads for a child support reduction, but behind the scenes lies betrayal, broken dreams, and a mother planning to move the kids across the country. From Florida beaches to vegan diets, this courtroom twist will leave you questioning, who's really in the right? Let's dive in.
To move off to Florida.
Okay.
And Your Honor, I'm not going for that.
All right. Did she tell you why she was trying to move to Florida?
Because she just want to live her best life.
She said that?
That's what it is. She want to go to the beach, drink coconut balls, whatever they have out there in Florida, and just have her best life.
Okay, wait a minute. So did she actually tell you that, or you interpreting her as living her best life?
Your Honor, why would anybody else want to move to Florida? That's Paradise City.
Well, I mean, I kind of...
Here comes the first twist. He's paying $900 in child support and $350 for health insurance, yet she plans to move their kids to Florida without discussion. Coconut dreams or selfish escape. Imagine your kids being taken hundreds of miles away. How would you feel? Opportunity or distance?
I bid, and at the time, my lady, she wasn't putting no more bids on me. She wasn't cooking me dinner. She wasn't massaging me like she used to. She wouldn't even let me watch sports on Sundays, Your Honor, because she wanted to watch The Bachelor. So it just wasn't working. And I gave in to what was going on, and I messed up. She saw my phone, she saw that I was with her a few times, and she left me, Your Honor.
Okay.
She left me.
That was a very colorful story.
It gets raw. He admits cheating with a cheer coach and blames his ex for not bidding on his love. Really, a relationship isn't an auction. This betrayal explains why the mother wants out. Actions have consequences, and this one's catching up fast.
Or do you just want it reduced just because?
I just want it reduced just because.
Okay, got it.
I feel like I know dudes that don't see their kids ever and they not on child support. I see my kids multiple times through the week and I'm paying $880 a month.
Okay. Fair enough. I believe I have majority of what I needed. Okay, is there anything else you wanted me to know before I move over to her?
No, that's about it, Your Honor. That's
okay.
about it.
All right. All right. Ma'am, and give me your last name.
It's Adams with 2 D's.
Adams with 2 D's, okay. All right.
Judge Vonda balances humor with order. As Morris awkwardly compares love to construction, she stays calm but firm. His jokes can't hide the truth. He wants financial relief, but the court wants clarity. Is his humor just a mask for avoiding responsibility?
I think the fact that he didn't even bother to mention our children's names should tell you everything about our relationship.
Well, he told me the ages.
Yeah, well, that's great. Robert and Madison, that's with a Y.
But she didn't ask for the kid.
Okay, yeah, I get it. Anyway, so going back to, evidently I'm just going to Florida for a permanent vacation. I'm actually going for a job.
All right.
So what's that job?
Robert, and I'm gonna be a marine biologist.
Miss Adams fires back. He never even mentions the kids' names. That stings. You hear years of pain in her voice. This isn't just about money, it's about feeling seen. Her sacrifices were real. Respect matters more than receipts.
And I want to hear about it. See how much money she makes.
She just having random dreams, Judge, but it's all
okay,
good.
that's great, but I need to see how much money she's making.
Right.
Okay?
I'm sorry.
All right.
Yeah, less talking, more listening.
And you do the same thing. All right, now. Continue.
Jesus.
So, I'm taking...
She's not escaping to beaches. She's becoming a marine biologist. It's a real career with real potential. But Morris mocks her dreams. Is he truly concerned for his kids? Or just upset she's moving forward without him? That jealousy is loud.
Something that you're intending on doing pretty soon?
Well, I took the job offer and I've already found an
So
apartment.
the answer is yes. You pretty much already.
Everything but the U-Haul, Your Honor.
Okay. So in your court order, do you have a geographic restriction because dad lives here?
Yes, but he moved just outside of Ellis County.
When she says he only sees the kids through a screen, the courtroom falls silent. Vomit, cleanup, midnight cries. None of that's on his calendar. FaceTime isn't fatherhood. This moment hits hard. Parenting is about presence, not convenience.
An attorney who would have interpreted this order properly to you. You can't just move. So let me tell you what we're going to do, because I think this is the fair thing to do. Regardless to whether you say his visits are inconsistent, he say they're consistent, the reality of it is when you move to Florida, he can no longer have access to those kids. So even if he were coming this day,
Organic food, vegan diets, $800 grocery bills. It's expensive raising kids who eat clean and grow fast. Morris complains $880 is too much. But Miss Adams lays out the cost. Parenting isn't cheap, and he might be underestimating it all.
that to travel to actually see the kids.
But what if he doesn't, Your Honor?
Well, if he doesn't, then after some time of him not doing it consistently, and when I say consistently and consecutively, it needs to at least be about 6 months or something like that, right? Then you can come back and let me know, Judge, he's not exercising regularly. I need some support for these 2 kids, right? But absent anything like that, I believe that's in the best interest of the children, and quite frankly, that's fair. You're moving without
Plot twist.
permission.
She thought he broke the custody order by leaving the county line. But Judge Vonda shuts it down fast. 1 mile out isn't a free pass. Google law won't save you in real court. She tried to outsmart the system and lost.
Right? Yeah. Which is a violation of your court order, so it's only fair that he stops paying child support. So beyond a reduction, he's coming off child support today. Now you will have to keep maintaining the health insurance, okay?
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right, so that, what is it, 362?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll still continue to pay the health insurance, but there will be no child support paid from him to you. Hopefully you guys can come to an agreement.
The judge flips everything. She moves, child support ends. Now he has money to travel and visit. Legal balance in motion. She gets freedom but not the funds. Fair justice or too brutal. Depends which side you're on.
That's the plan, Your Honor. Once we leave, I plan on giving her a call so we could try to talk about things and kind of get on a good level with each other.
Yeah, I think that can work. And who knows, your job may transfer up here and you may end up being back in Dallas anyway. Now, if that happens, you all would need to come back, because then we need to look at something different about what child support.
And kind of get on a good level with each other.
Yeah, I think that can work. And who knows, your job may transfer up here and you may end up being back in Dallas.
Final blow. He still pays health insurance but no child support. If he doesn't visit the kids for 6 months, she can reopen the case. Accountability is clear. But here's the $1 million question. Will he step up or disappear again?